Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect your speaker EDIFIER D32 with USB-C cable. So all you need to have for this is just USB-C to USB-C cable. Now connect this cable to your phone. Then at the back side we have also USB-C cable. Connect the second one at this port. After that, we need to turn on this speaker. So at the bottom, on the front side, right here at the left side, we have power button. Press and hold it until you will see the LED light. We just turn on it. And now make sure that you have the red LED light, because if you have white, green or blue, you need to press one time at the power button. So you just press blue, green, and now we have the red one. After that, you can use it with this cable. So let me open some video. And now it's playing from the speaker. Also, I try to use it with Lightning to USB-C cable, but it doesn't work. So I have iPhone here and I connect it to my iPhone, but nothing happened. I tried to also change these sound modes here and also nothing happened. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!